My name's Ivy Harris and I'm in welding at Northwest-Shoals Community College. I chose this major because I like welding and I didn't want a job where I sat at a desk all day. What I love about welding is that it's not the same every day, and even if you are doing the same thing every day, something's different about every single one of them every time you do it. My favorite type of welding is TIG because you have to be steady and patient and you can't just rush it, you have to take your time. I was supposed to compete at a skills competition before the coronavirus, and I made a bouquet of roses in a vase, and I had to use all of the processes: TIG, MIG, stick, soldering. After graduation, I'd like to find a job in the automotive industry and then one day be a certified welding inspector. If you're interested in welding, just take a shot at it, come to Northwest-Shoals and see if you like it.